Hello there, I'm Yvonne de Celis from YDCtv. It is Sunday, January 27th. It's just a little bit after 9 p.m. and I'm here to go over a really quick energy medicine exercise with you. The purpose of this exercise is to help get your metabolism going. A lot of people have trouble losing weight, and this is particularly true with women too. It's very hard to get that weight off despite diet, exercise, and everything else that people try doing. It's very hard. So this is hopefully something that you can add to your toolkit that'll help make things a little bit easier for you. Also, another note with energy medicine, the best breathing method is to breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. When you breathe in through the nose, have your tongue touch the roof of the mouth. When you breathe out, just let your tongue drop and go through the mouth. But all that said, you can also just breathe comfortably and concentrate on what you're doing. So anyway, here's the exercise. I'm going to stand up a little and adjust the camera so you can see what I'm doing. One last thing. To do this, get these three fingers together, your index finger, middle finger, and thumb, and put them into a pinching position. And then what you want to do is tap one rib under the bra line and parallel with the nipple. And what you want to do is tap right in that spot for about 2 breaths. So I'll just do 2 breaths for this one. So again, we're going to do 2 deep breaths in and out. So in, out, in, and out. When you're done with that, what you want to do is move your fingers out to the sides. These are your spleen acupuncture points. So when you're here, you're at your neurolymphatic reflexes. When you're here, you're at the spleen acupuncture points. So this also, we're going to do 2 breaths in and out. So in, out, in, and out. And that's it. Hopefully that works for you. Please let me know down below in the comments section. Also, please click on the YDCtv logo if you see that on the bottom right of your screen. That'll subscribe you to my channel for free. And that'll let you know whenever I make changes, or not whenever, but on occasion it will notify you when I put new videos up, that sort of thing. As always, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate it. Namaste. Peace and light. I will be back in a few days. Thanks again so much. Take care. Bye-bye.